Alright, so the next video is going to be, I'm going to put this LED shop light up in my attic up here, because I can't see anything. That's just not enough light. Check out, this is the exact same light. Bam! Look how much light you get. Just lights the place up. Watch, I'll turn it on. What a difference, huh? Light on, good. That's also LED. So I really like these LED, and this was only $29 at Costco, so it's going to be awesome. It's got a plug here, and it's super light. I mean, it doesn't weigh anything. And then over here you got this plug here, which we're going to plug into that plug up there. Hopefully it'll work. We're going to check it out first to make sure. Otherwise I got to get one of those things for the light up there. I'll just take the light out and stick one of those things in it. But anyway, we're going to stick that up there. We'll turn it over, take a look at it. So we've got a couple little places that we can hook it in, like that, right into the ceiling. And hopefully we'll be able to fit it on a couple rafters up there. All right, let's try it. This socket here works. I don't know if it does or not. We're going to check it out. All right, so I plugged it into this outlet that we've got. I'm not sure if it works or not, but we're going to find out. I'm going to pull this. And yes, it does work. So all I got to do is get it up here and we're ready to rock. All right, not bad. Lights the place up, doesn't it? All right, so I'm going to measure this. I'm going to be looking at, it's a 27.5 inches offset. So I'm going to put some holes in my thing, and then I'm going to go ahead and screw it right in there. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to make a little hole here, and then I got to go 27.5 from that. So we're going to be looking at 27.5, which would be approximately right there. All right, let's make sure that we did it. Measure twice, cut once. It's 27. I need to go a little bit farther. So this is going to be right here. .27.5. That's pretty close. So I'm going to make a hole there. Make a little hole there with my punch, and then we'll screw it up there. First, I'm going to double check upstairs. I'm going to make sure that I got that right. All right, I'm going to do one more measure up there. Just double check it. You know what they say, measure twice, cut once. All right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece of board under here. Set that down on it. Then we're going to get our drill here. Okay, I'm just going to drill a little hole in there. Done. We're going to move our board down. Well, you'll have shit like that happen, I guess. We're going to do another hole here. Done. Right now, all we got to do is get a couple of screws. All right, I think we're good. These two babies should work. Phillips heads. All right, cool. All right, we got to change the bit on this bad boy. Put our Phillips head in there. Tighten her up. Okay, it's ready to go. Let's go upstairs and finish this thing. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. Got to get all my stuff. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put this baby in. Bam, done. That's it. That's all you had to do. You got it in there nice and tight. Now let's go ahead and put this in here. Now we don't need this on all the time. We only need it on when we need it on. See what I mean? That illuminates the whole area. And I can add more. If you remember, I can add more going this way. So I'm going to put another one over there. I'm going to buy another one. And that'll give us lots of, so we can see what the hell's in here. Let there be light. And there was light. Okay, this is going to give you an idea of the difference in the lighting. I'm going to go up and turn it on. Bam. Ta-da! Now I can see everything. and I can clean up here. I can do what I need to do, get stuff, you know. I mean, before I was like blinded. All right, so let's pull this, and that's that. This one's on a wall switch, so when you go up, turn this one on first, and then go up and turn on the wall switch. All right, done. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff.